So it's not impossible. It's difficult, but it's not impossible. And to prepare a match to lose or to draw, no. We prepare all the matches to win. So last match we play on Pare for Liga 1, Premier League of Indonesia. So after this we rest one day and we work there 2 days to come. Yesterday we travel all the day, so no training. And now we make the official training and tomorrow we're gonna play. So it's not the perfect conditions to prepare a match, but these are our conditions. So we need to make our best. We know that Sabah is a strong team. They just lose one match. Have very good players, also big budget. But congratulations to Sabah because they deserve to be on the first position. And our home match against Sabah for us not good. No good result, no good performance, many mistakes. So tomorrow we want to try to change the last picture against Sabah. Also is our last match on AFC Cup. But also after 3 days we play important game for Liga 1, Premier League of Indonesia. So we need to make a not bet all the things, all the stamina, all the energy of the players just one match. We must see, because unfortunately this season we have many players injured, and we are a travel team. We always travel in home games, in away games. So let's see. Our preparation was not the best as we want, but we try to prepare. Yes, many players injured. Many players injured. We have many players injured that not come. I think there, at least in my opinion, a coach that not go to prepare a team to win not deserve to be a coach. This is my opinion. If you're gonna ask to a player, hey, we're gonna play a game to lose, I think you are not a good coach. You already make the proposed plan it's to lose. No. We know that our chances they are not very high, but we need to try to do our best with the weapons that we have. We know that we don't have our squad on 100%. Many players injured, not come. The players that are here, many players are not in the shape that we have. But the players that gonna play gonna give the best, and this is what we need to do. We need to finish the match tomorrow and feel that the players try to do the best. And if we get better result that the home match against Sabah, I think it's good. If you catch points, fantastic, because it's not just it's not just PSM Makassar that is playing, also Indonesia ranking. And I think it's an honor to participate on international competition like this. So this is our last picture. We need to give a last picture in good quality, at least that we feel that all the team give the best. The players make what they love. Many players dream to be on the position that the players from PSM Makassar are on this moment. So I think the motivation must be from inside of all the team, individual and of course collective. Our last match for the Liga 1, Indonesia League, was not the perfect result. We have many chances to win. Unfortunately we draw, but already passed. And the football gives us opportunity that we can have opportunity again to show and to try to do our best. And tomorrow is a new opportunity against strong team, strong players, in a good pitch. Of course, was 1 day travel. The players are not robots, are not machines. But I believe that tomorrow at this time, the players already rest a little. And I hope that we can make a better result, and we hope to catch points we know that is difficult, but we're gonna try. Then our first match at home, because we must be realist. Malaysia have better conditions than Indonesia in this moment. But last season on AFC Cup, PSM Makassar beat teams from Malaysia. So it's not impossible. It's difficult, but it's not impossible. And to prepare a match to lose or to draw, no. We prepare all the matches to win. After, we can lose. It's possible we lose. But we cannot make a plan thinking that we're gonna draw or that we're gonna lose. I think we need to make a plan that we're gonna try to win, and this is our target.
Ya, untuk kami dari pemain PSM Makassar untuk pertandingan besok, kami datang ke sini melawan tim Sabah yang sudah dipastikan lolos ke babak berikutnya. Kami akan berusaha menampilkan permainan terbaik kami, karena kami ke sini membawa nama besar tim PSM Makassar dan juga Indonesia. Insya Allah kami akan bekerja keras untuk mendapatkan hasil yang terbaik. Saya pikir tidak ada, karena kami datang ke sini kan untuk bermain, memberikan yang terbaik untuk tim kami. Ya, saya pikir saya sudah beberapa kali melawan tim klub dari Malaysia, jadi seperti biasa tidak ada masalah. Apalagi di sini di Sabah ada pemain dari Indonesia, ada Sadil Ramdhani. Jadi seperti biasa aja, normal.